Hello, hello, Mrs. Martinez here. We are going to make a mandala in Google Drawings. So the first thing we'll do is change our title to your full name and the name of the project. We're changing the page setup now to a square, so we're going to custom and make it 8 by 8 inches. Click apply, and now we will get started by first drawing a circle. So hold down shift on your keyboard while you're drawing that circle to keep it in proportion. We're going to change the circle, center it using those guidelines, and then change the circle to transparent with the fill color. Now we'll click our line tool, and when you bring your line tool right over that circle, you'll see those purple anchor points. And we're going to divide our circle up into slices right now, or sections. And we're going to have 8 sections when all is said and drawn. And now we are going to focus in on one of those sections. So we're going to make the design we want to see using different shapes and different lines into one section. So we'll design it, we'll move things around. We're not worried about color just yet. And again, we're going to make that one section look as exactly the way we want it, and then we'll copy and paste that eventually. At this point, we are going to start adding our color to our section that we've created here. And I'm choosing to go with a gradient. So I'm going to start with dark maroon, and I'm going to go gradient all the way up as I select my shapes to create that effect. Now I am going to start copying and pasting, arranging, rotating these slices, or the section that I created. So I copied and pasted it, and then I flipped that. So I went to arrange in order and flipped it horizontally. So I'm only doing a little bit of moving versus a lot. Now I'm going to group these two. So I'm going to select both of the sections, and then I'm going to go to arrange and group. And that allows me then to copy both of those sections at once. I'm going to flip them vertically, and then again, just move a little bit. I can use those guidelines in Google to help me center them within each section so that I'm creating this radial design. And now I'm going to group all 4 of the sections, and then I will be able to copy and paste them all together and insert them in our final piece. So it's just one rotation versus a whole bunch. Now I'm going to fine tune everything, put everything where it belongs, and now I will make my last color decisions. In this case, I'm going to select my circle, and I'm going to use the fill color to make the background black. And then I'm also going to select everything and take away those black outlines. So I'm going to get a different look, and this was the look I was going for. So it's taking those shapes and creating one shape versus a bunch of little shapes put together. I'm downloading it as a PNG file so you can see what it looks like. And here it is. So here's your final result. Have fun making your mandala.